Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here today with the crew from Black Circles, coming all the way down from Montreal. These guys are our affiliates that do all of the wholesale tires for our customers, do a great job on getting them the best prices on tires in Canada, bar none. And you choose us as your installer. We install them right here at Urban Automotive, 886 Winston Churchill Boulevard. Martin?
Pleasure to be here. Once again, congrats on the new location. So we have a few gifts for you today.
Awesome.
So we're still going to start with Oliver.
So first gift, since you're one of our top 10 service provider for Black Circles, actually at the top of the top 10, so congratulations.
Thank you very much.
The first gift.
Wow.
Drink with moderation.
You won't need more hands, so that's because...
Let him open it first.
First of all, yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, it
For
is.
you and the crew to celebrate.
Wow, awesome. Guy Lafleur, my favorite player.
Good,
How'd you
good.
know?
We know everything.
My favorite player.
know
growing up.
everything.
Wow, that is awesome.
Information.
So, Eric?
In the same line, so because our customers are kind of reviewing all the partner installers we're working for, so you're in the top 10 reviewed and rated partner installer, so that's another gift for you, Mike.
That is awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Look at this. Guy Lafleur, look at this. He makes gin too.
Hey, there he is.
Holy smokes. Guys, this is great.
And this one is because you're just a good old guy, a top 10 guy. So this is, just open up and read it. Maybe not read it, all of it, but
Okay.
the big lines.
This is a total surprise. I was not expecting anything here. It certifies the jersey number which accompanies this document
goes
is
with this.
personally autographed by Guy Lafleur. Come on, that is awesome. Oh man, guys, come on.
Ready to wrap?
That is awesome. Look at that. Look at that. That is definitely going in a special place
Congrats, Mike.
right here at the shop.
You've earned it.
Congrats and
Thank
thank
you
you
very
again
much,
for the
guys.
business
Thanks
and
very
continue doing great work.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much. And thank you for taking the time to come down.
Pleasure anytime.
And remember, guys, best price on tires. Go to urbanautomotive.ca, click on order tires here. Brings you directly to the Black Circles website. These guys and their team will take care of you, get you the best price on tires. Pick us as the installer, and we'll do the job right for you. Urban Automotive, safety first. Thanks for watching.